Hello my dear friends, so welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing my channel and liking my videos. Thanks a lot. So today in this video, let's try to understand planet Mars placement in the 12th house of your Vedic astrological birth chart and what are the kind of results that are associated with this placement. Also, I'm going to cover up the special aspects of Mars because Mars is going to aspect 4 places away, 7 places away and 8 places away from its original placement. So there is going to be a lot of energy that is associated with the traveling aspect in your life and with regards to your marriage and the married life aspect as well. But first of all, let's try to understand what is planet Mars and what is 12th house in Vedic astrology. See, on one hand, if I talk about regarding planet Mars, this is the planet which represents the willpower and enthusiasm which is present inside you. Mars is the karka of your courage as well. Whether you have the ability to take some kind of a risks in your life or not, that thing is also represented by Mars. Also, planet Mars, it is a karka or significator of all the real estate, land, property related matters. If you want to see whether I'm going to make money out of these things by investment, then directly look into the Mars placement, because this is the single most planet which is going to determine all such kind of things. Even this is the very important planet in any woman chart as well, because Mars signifies Mangalya, that is the marital bliss. So if you are having very well dignified Mars in your horoscope, then I will tell you this Mars have the ability to give you very good life partner as well. Also, this Mars in the higher grounds, it acts as an energy as well. In whichever house this Mars is posited, it means the concentration of your life, it is going towards that areas of your life. And wherever Mars is aspecting with its special aspects, that places where most of your energy is going to flow in your life. Also, on the other hand, the 12th house in Vedic astrology, that is the house which represents the imagination as well. 12th house, it is the outer realm. From 1st to 11th house, these are the physical grounds, and 12th house, that is the imaginary realm. 12th house, it is your subconscious mind as well. This is the house of losses as well. Any kind of a financial loss, any kind of energy losses that are occurring in your life, so that thing is also seen from 12th house. Also, this is the house which represents secludedness as well. Like you are working upon something or such kind of a research oriented brains that are also seen from the 12th house, because this is originally the house of the Pisces, and Pisces is the outer realm where you are having some deep connections with the spiritual world as well. Also, this is the house which is going to give you a lot of intuitive abilities inside you. Lot of intuition is also going to be seen from 12th house. Any kind of a mystical professions, astrology, numerology, teaching occult sciences, all such kind of things, they are deeply interconnected with 12th house. So first of all, when you put Mars into the 12th house, I will tell you this Mars is not a very comfortable Mars, because the number one thing that you are going to see with this Mars is the relationship aspect and your marriage and the married life. Because in most of the cases, I will tell you, as I have taught you in my previous videos as well, 8th aspect of Mars, it is one of the deadliest aspect in Vedic astrology. And with this placement, Mars is directly aspecting the 7th house, that is the house of the marriage, married life, and even some kind of a business partnerships as well. So first of all, this Mars is going to delay the aspect of marriage and married life in your life. Also, this Mars have the ability to give you multiple relationships and even multiple marriages as well. For that, we need to check the strength and dignity of your 7th house and 7th house lord as well. But usually I will tell you that is a very critical placement in terms of you to getting married in your life. The only remedy in this case, if you are having this Mars in the 12th house and you are facing problems with regards to marriage and married life, I personally recommend you to please move into some other country. Suppose you are staying here in India, so as soon as you are moving or traveling abroad towards any country, so that is going to shift this Mars towards the 1st house axis. Because as soon as you are started moving towards foreign lands, 12th house is going to become your 1st house. So then the results are going to change totally in your life. So that is the only single most remedy that you can perform by shifting from one location to some new location, and this thing is going to trigger the event of marriage and married life in your life. Second important thing, in terms of the business and the business aspect, this is a brilliant Mars. whether this Mars is having debilitated over there, or it is in the inimical sign, or it is in the friendly sign. Because Mars is the energy. In whichever house Mars is posited, it shows there is lot of circulation that is happening in that house. 12th house, it is the house of your expenditure as well, and even investments are also seen from the 12th house. So any kind of a business adventure where you are involved into the rotation of the money, like revolving of money is going to be included over there. In that areas, Mars is going to feel very, very comfortable, because you will not be able to save huge amount of money in your life if you are having Mars in the 12th house, but you will be able to rotate money up to very huge extent. That is connected with planet Mars. Also, it is directly aspecting the 6th house with its 7th aspect. So that is the house of the competition as well. So here Mars have the ability to destroy all the competition in the 6th house as well. But my personal recommendation for you is to please don't involve into any kind of a partnership business. Because as soon as you are involving into the partnership business, Mars 8th aspect is still upon the 7th house. That is the partnerships as well. So maybe in the initial run, you are going to have lot of incoming gains as well. But in the longer duration of time, I will tell you this Mars is not going to give you good amount of results. So you need to be very, very careful before involving into partnership business. It is very good for you if you can involve into profit sharing business. Like you are having some business idea in your mind. So there are a lot of investors over there. So they are going to put money upon your business idea. You are going to grow the business and you are going to share some profit with them. So that is going to be wonderful strategy if Mars is in the 12th house and if you are having some connection with the business field. Also, 12th house that represents the bed pleasures as well. That is your sexual life is also seen from 12th house. I will tell you, if Mars is not in very well dignified condition and if planet Venus is also not in very well dignified condition, this Mars have the ability to take indulgence into lot of sexual activities as well. Because that is the house of losses. It is not necessary you are losing money with Mars in 12th house. It represents your sexual losses as well. Because this Mars is going to make you highly sexually, it is going to give you very good amount of sex power as well. So in the 12th house, what is going to happen? There is going to be lot of sexual losses that is happening over there. And it is vitally important for you to channelize this Mars energy in the positive way, not in the negative way. Otherwise, what is going to happen? You are going to ruin your complete life. That is totally in your hand. Because Mars is not feel much comfortable in the 12th house. That is not the realm of the Mars. Here Mars is totally out of its realm. Lot of porn industry and all such kind of things are also seen from this thing. Even this placement can give you lot of addiction as well. It may be addiction related to gambling, like you are playing with the money. So that gambling instinct is also present inside this Mars. Or by making money using the unfair means. So that is also deeply associated with this Mars. It is very important if some benefic planet like Jupiter is aspecting this Mars. So then I will tell you whole results are going to change. But I will tell you if Mars is not in very well dignity, then you are going to face the negative side of the Mars as well. Because this is a malefic planet. You need to understand that thing. Also, Mars 4th aspect, Drishti, is upon the 3rd house. And that is the house of your communication. That is the house of your presentation skills as well. 3rd house also represents some short distance travel, like shifting from one location to some new location. So that is only the saving aspect in your life. Although it is going to spoil the relationship aspect between you and your siblings as well, or there are going to be some problems associated with land, real estate and property related matters. But I will tell you one thing. Mars aspect is upon the 3rd house. It means that is the saving aspect. If you want to save your life, then as soon as you are shifting, moving away from your home environment to some new place, then I will tell you all the negative qualities of Mars is getting reduced up to huge extent. It is vitally important for you to leave your homeland or your home country in the early stages of the life. Because any planet that is sitting in the 12th house, that is actually the foreign lands as well. Foreign country, experiencing the foreign culture. So this Mars, as soon as you are moving abroad, moving or traveling abroad, this thing is going to trigger the event of marriage as well. Because Mars have the ability for the manifestation of the foreign life partner, and it is much beneficial if you are going to marry outside of your caste, creed and culture with this Mars placement. That is also going to be the saving factor in terms of your marriage and married life, because you will not be able to find a life partner of your own cultural background with this Mars, because that is only the one single most placement out of the 12 houses. Mars feel quite comfortable in all the houses. It will not give much problems in the marriage life, but this is the single most placement. With the 8th aspect, it is going to destroy that house as well. Also, it is important if you, both of you, after getting married, if you stay in the rented apartment rather than in your own home. So that is also going to be the wonderful thing in your life as well. Also, one very important thing, with the passage of time, or like after the age of 28, so Mars is getting completely matured in your life, and Saturn is also going to take its return. So at the time of Saturn return, or after the maturity of Mars, 28, 29 and 30, these 3 years are going to be the prominent years in your life, and you need to deeply analyze the zodiac sign placement as well. First of all, try to look, Mars is controlling the 2 houses, one house with the sign of Aries and second with the sign of Scorpio. So first of all, look directly into that 2 houses. I will tell you, immediately you are turning 28, that 2 houses, they are immediately going to get triggered in your life. It may be related to money, wealth, expansion, career, if you are looking for job, these kind of things. I will tell you, the age of 28 or the Saturn return, with this Mangal placement, it is going to be the complete U-turn in your life. Suppose right now you are watching this video and there is nothing good going in your life. I will tell you, wait until the Saturn return, or if Mars is getting matured, because after the age of 28, I have seen lot of improvements in their career life that is also associated with this Mars, because initially they will face lot of setbacks in terms of relationships. And with the passage of time, Mars totally lose interests in the relationship aspect. So these individuals, then they don't like much about marriage, love life, these kind of things, because of their some previous experiences. So what is going to happen with the passage of time, as soon as Mars is getting matured, they concentrate their whole energy upon one single thing, and that is the career aspect. Usually I have seen these kind of things with dealing with lot of individuals on day-to-day basis as well, who are having Mars in the 12th house. These individuals, they are highly focused towards the career aspect, because once they start channelizing this Mars energy in the positive way, I will tell you, Mars is going to give you wonderful amount of results in your life as well. Also, I have made the several videos upon the planetary activation techniques. So you can please watch that video. If right now you are totally stuck at somewhere, you can please watch the video of planetary activation of Mars, how to activate this planet in your horoscope. So that is also going to be very, very helpful for you. So that's it guys from my side in this video. I hope you like this analysis. If you have any queries, any consultations regarding your Mars placement, marriage, career or any other spiritual consultation, do let me know. I'm going to respond you back as soon as possible. So till then, please subscribe my channel below and make sure to hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Till then, please take care of yourself, and I'm going to meet you very, very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.